Did you know that blood sugar levels at night are completely controllable? Today, let's explore with me some simple ways to lower your blood sugar levels while you sleep. You must have woken up in the morning and been surprised to find that your blood sugar levels are higher than normal, even though you didn't eat anything at night. This is quite common and happens to many people, especially those with diabetes or insulin resistance. So why does blood sugar increase at night, and how can you control this condition? Let's find out how to eliminate blood sugar levels at night through some simple and effective methods. Number 1, the night cortisol phenomenon, stress hormone that messes with blood sugar. To understand why blood sugar rises at night, we need to understand a phenomenon called the Samajai effect or rebound hypoglycemia. When you sleep, your blood sugar may drop too low, and your body will automatically trigger a physiological response to raise your blood sugar back up. Your body will release a series of hormones such as glucagon, adrenaline, and cortisol to help raise your blood sugar levels. This sometimes causes you to wake up the next morning with higher blood sugar levels than you expected, even though you didn't eat anything during the night. In addition to the Samajai effect, another common reason for your blood sugar to rise at night is an increase in cortisol, the stress hormone. Although cortisol is commonly known as a substance that helps the body respond to stress, few people know that it can also directly increase blood sugar levels, especially at night. When the body feels stressed or does not get enough rest, the amount of cortisol in the body increases, causing blood glucose to rise unexpectedly. This may explain why you may wake up with higher blood sugar levels than usual, even if you have not eaten anything all night. Cortisol acts as a kind of physiological alarm in the body, triggering the release of energy from the liver to deal with stressful situations. However, if you do not experience any stressful situations, this release can still occur if the body does not relax properly in the evening. Increased cortisol can make the body resistant to insulin, making the process of controlling blood sugar less effective. This is especially serious for people with diabetes, because it not only causes sudden fluctuations in blood sugar but also reduces the body's ability to process glucose. So how can you minimize the impact of cortisol on blood sugar? The key is to improve the quality of your sleep and reduce stress in your daily life. First, try to establish a regular sleep routine and create a quiet, comfortable space for your body to recover best. Lack of sleep is one of the important factors that activate cortisol, so getting enough sleep and deep sleep will help limit the increase of this hormone. If you feel stressed, try applying relaxation measures such as meditation, yoga, or even deep breathing exercises. These habits not only help reduce stress but also help regulate the amount of cortisol in the body. Number 2, the dawn effect, an unpleasant greeting from early morning hormones. If you have ever measured your blood sugar in the morning and seen the number jump for no apparent reason, it is very likely that you have experienced the dawn effect, also known as the alba effect. This phenomenon is more common than you think, especially in people with diabetes. During the night, your blood sugar may be stable, but around 4 to 5 a.m., things start to change. At this time, the body releases a series of hormones such as cortisol, growth hormone, and adrenaline, all to prepare you for a new day. Unfortunately, for people with diabetes, they bring an unwanted challenge, a spike in blood sugar. So why do these hormones have such a side effect? Their nature is to stimulate the liver to release glucose into the blood to provide energy. In healthy people, insulin appears promptly to handle this excess glucose. But in people with diabetes, the ability to produce or use insulin is not effective, causing blood sugar to rise unexpectedly. This is why you may feel more alert in the morning, but at the same time face worrying blood sugar numbers. How to tame this phenomenon? Fortunately, you do not have to suffer from the dawn effect. An effective strategy is to adjust the timing of insulin or medication as prescribed by your doctor to deal with the early morning blood sugar increase. Additionally, a snack high in protein or healthy fats before bed can help balance blood sugar levels throughout the night. This creates a steady stream of energy, preventing your body from releasing too much glucose in the morning. If the dawn effect continues to bother you, consider monitoring your blood sugar at different times of the night to better understand the pattern of increases and decreases. This will help your doctor adjust your treatment plan more accurately. At the same time, don't forget that a healthy lifestyle, including managing stress, maintaining regular exercise, and eating a balanced diet, will be a solid foundation to limit the effects of this phenomenon. The dawn effect, while annoying, is not a death sentence. With understanding and the right treatment, you can completely turn this challenge into an opportunity to better control diabetes, welcoming each new day with health and confidence. Number 3, the impact of dinner. Food choices are key. When it comes to controlling blood sugar at night, the importance of dinner cannot be overlooked. What you eat at the end of the day can silently determine your blood sugar levels while you sleep. A dinner rich in simple carbs, especially processed foods, fast food or sweet desserts, can create a wave of glucose that lasts for a long time in the blood. This happens because these foods are digested quickly, causing glucose to flood the blood for a long time before the body has time to process it. The result? Blood sugar rises silently while you sleep. How to have a blood sugar-friendly dinner? The answer lies in choosing the right foods. Say goodbye to refined carbs and say hello to low-glycemic foods, foods that release glucose slowly, helping to keep your blood sugar more stable. An ideal dinner doesn't have to be complicated. Just a serving of pan-fried salmon, lean boiled chicken, or grilled tofu, combined with a bowl of vegetables such as broccoli, spinach, or asparagus is enough. These vegetables are not only rich in fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of glucose, but also provide many essential micronutrients for the body. Don't forget that the preparation method also plays an important role. Limit frying or using too much seasoning, sugar, and salt. Instead, steaming, boiling, or baking are methods that preserve nutrients and do not put an additional burden on your blood sugar. In addition to choosing foods, eating habits are equally important. Avoid eating dinner too late, because your body will not have enough time to process all the glucose before going to bed. If you feel hungry at night, choose a protein-rich snack such as almonds, chia seeds mixed with unsweetened Greek yogurt. These dishes will not only keep you full longer but also keep your blood sugar stable overnight. By adjusting your dinner wisely, you can not only control your blood sugar but also improve your sleep quality and overall health. Remember, every food choice is a step closer to effective diabetes control. Number 4, exercise regimen. Don't ignore exercise. Did you know that regular exercise not only helps your body stay healthy but is also a great assistant in controlling blood sugar? Especially for people living with diabetes, the right exercise routine can create amazing positive changes. When you exercise, your body increases insulin sensitivity, helping glucose to be absorbed and metabolized more effectively. This prevents excess glucose from accumulating in the blood, the main cause of abnormally high blood sugar at night and early morning. The great thing is that you don't need to exercise too hard or complicated to achieve results. A 15 to 30-minute walk after dinner can help your body burn off excess glucose, aid digestion, and keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the night. If walking isn't your thing, there are plenty of other low-impact ways to get moving. Cycling, yoga, or stretching at home are all great ways to improve your health without spending a lot of time or equipment. Not only will these exercises improve your blood sugar control, they can also help you relax, reduce stress, and sleep better, all of which are important for starting your day with energy. The key is to keep moving regularly and make it an integral part of your daily routine. Remember, it's not the intensity that counts, but the consistency. Even the smallest steps today can make a big difference in controlling your diabetes and protecting your long-term health. So don't be afraid to start today. With just a little perseverance and determination, you will find that the journey of controlling blood sugar is no longer a burden but becomes a healthy lifestyle, helping you enjoy life more fully. Number 5, the importance of staying hydrated. Don't underestimate small sips of water. Did you know that simply drinking enough water every day can help your body function more smoothly, especially in controlling blood sugar? Water plays an important role in helping the kidneys remove excess glucose from the blood. When the body lacks water, this process is interrupted, causing glucose to accumulate in the blood and leading to serious health problems. That's why people living with diabetes need to make drinking enough water a priority in their daily routine. However, drinking a lot of water is not always good. Drinking too much water right before bed can cause you to wake up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, interrupting your precious sleep. Instead, make sure you drink water regularly from morning to afternoon, keeping your body hydrated throughout the day. Don't forget to replenish water right after exercise or when the weather is hot, as your body loses water faster in these situations. A little tip: carry a bottle of water with you and take a sip when you feel thirsty instead of waiting until your throat is dry. This not only helps your body maintain the necessary water levels but also helps your kidneys function more effectively. Remember that drinking enough water not only helps control blood sugar but also improves your overall health, helping you feel fresh and full of energy throughout the day. Number 6. Supplement vitamins and minerals, great assistance in the battle to control blood sugar. Have you noticed that sometimes your body just needs a few assistants to keep everything under control? Vitamins and minerals are such silent heroes. Let's talk about vitamin D first. This is not only the sunshine vitamin but also your ally in increasing insulin sensitivity. If your body is deficient in vitamin D, not only will your blood sugar be unstable but your immune system will also be downhill easily. What about magnesium? It's like your body's backup battery, helping to regulate blood glucose levels. If you're deficient in magnesium, you may feel tired and your blood sugar levels can easily spike. What's more, getting enough magnesium can also help you avoid the risk of type 2 diabetes. Sounds appealing, right? But that's not all. Have you heard of alpha-lipoic acid? It's a powerful antioxidant that not only helps lower blood sugar but also protects cells from damage. Think of it simply: it's like an invisible armor that protects your body from bad guys like oxidative stress, the cause of many scary diabetes complications. Of course, it's not always good to supplement indiscriminately. Listen to your body. Instead of chasing after supplements, you can look to natural sources like fatty salmon, lush green leafy vegetables, or a few almonds to munch on. Delicious and beneficial, why not? Number 7. Use medication when necessary, the final but important option. Sometimes, despite your best efforts to adjust your diet, exercise regularly, and maintain healthy habits, your blood sugar levels just don't listen. That's when you may need the support of medication. One of the most popular drugs today is the SGLT2 inhibitor group. The name sounds complicated, but they are actually very effective. Think of it this way: these pills are like cleaners for the kidneys, helping them remove excess sugar through urine. This not only helps lower blood sugar but also reduces the risk of diabetes complications. Names like empagliflozin or canagliflozin may sound familiar if you've heard your doctor mention them. However, don't consider medication as a miracle or the first solution. Medication always comes with its own caveats, and not everyone is suitable for it. Most importantly, medication must be prescribed and closely monitored by a doctor to ensure effectiveness and safety for your health. Number 8. Practice and patience, the key to nighttime blood sugar control. If you think that controlling your blood sugar at night is an instant miracle, then you may need to change your mind. This is a long-term process that requires practice and patience every day. Blood sugar cannot be stabilized overnight, but each small step in the journey of changing habits will help you achieve your goal. Think of blood sugar control as a journey, not an immediate destination. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with a reasonable diet, regular exercise, and good sleeping habits will not only help you reduce your blood sugar at night but also reduce the risk of other health problems. The important thing is not to give up, because daily practice will gradually create big changes in your body. Patience is your most powerful weapon. Small changes, if done regularly, will gradually bring great results. Don't rush, take it step by step, and you will find that controlling your blood sugar becomes easier. So you have discovered with me effective ways to control your blood sugar at night, from diet, exercise to using medication when necessary. Every small change in your lifestyle can make a big difference to your health. The important thing is to be persistent and do it regularly, because there is no instant solution. As long as you maintain healthy habits and be patient, the results will not be long in coming. Continue your health journey and never stop trying to have a healthy life. Stable blood sugar.